Hey, good morning. Good crypto morning, March 13th. Crypto Corner News. And here is what's going on in Mark's Crypto Corner News today. It's sunny outside, that's promising. First things first, what's going on in the Bitcoin news? Time Coin Protocol. What is this? Decentralized applications and people doing things, decentralized sharing economy protocol, and the D-apps, esports stars, and time ticket. What does all this mean? Let's see. The special token sale of Timecoin was launched on February 15th this year with a 93% discount on the token's current market value. The token was launched November 11th of last year on Bitforex as an IEO at an initial price of 7 cents. After the launch, the price rose to $11 and has continued to climb. Wow, that's interesting. I haven't heard of that one. I mean, there's thousands of cryptos, right? So you just can't keep up with them all. But Timecoin, check it out. Maybe there's some good stuff going on. Depends what's the purpose of Timecoin. You know, if it's got a good application and there's good interest in the market, you never know. So what else? This week in crypto markets, Bitcoin price is back, retesting all-time highs set earlier in the year, and ready to begin another leg higher. Strong resistance thus far has presented several opportunities. Oh, presented, not prevented. Several opportunities for short scalping, and each minor short-term rejection has also been an ideal place for to long each dip for a chance to ride the waves, baby. Yeah. Some people say, "Oh, crypto's too volatile," and blah blah blah. But that's what makes it, right? That's how you can ride the waves. It's exciting. Yep. All right, what's next on this thing here of my news feed? Zilliqa Capital launches a new approach to grow Southeast Asian financial ecosystem. So Zilliqa Capital is a financial company in somewhere. The firm will be led by co-founder and former CEO of the Ether Capital, Michael H. Kahn, alongside with his buddies and thought leaders and think tank people from Outlier Ventures and Warez, a Binance brand, Warex maybe, Kinetic Capital, Wave Financial, Gumi Cryptos Capital, Sky Massive, my goodness, Singapore University, Social Sciences, and Zilliqa Research Singapore. What does all this mean? These guys are going to find a new way to capitalize on a market. Yes, that's what they're going to do. They're going to market a whole bunch of stuff, financial products and services, to the Southeast Asian market. I assume that's what I'm saying. Okay, so what's going on here? Russia accounts for about 7% of the world's Bitcoin mining. Well, 7%, that's, I guess, something. Bid River hosts equipment at its flagship 100 megawatt data center in the city of Bratsk, along with other smaller sites for foreign miners of the cryptocurrency from the United States, Europe, and Japan who want to harness the region's cheap energy. The company could already be responsible for as much as 2% of global Bitcoin mining. All right, well, that's interesting. They got a lot of mining equipment, and that's it. That's a lot of power to run. So what's next? Lots of mining going on. Rakuten is turning Bitcoin into a means of payments. I think I covered that last week, so I'm going to stop there on that. But speaking of Russian mining, I noticed There was an article on CoinDesk. Hackers are trying to mine crypto using Russian government servers, and the experts say hackers have been actively exploiting the IT infrastructure of Russia's government bodies, the defense contractors, medical entities, and research institutes to mine cryptocurrencies. So they're hacking these big places with lots of computers and mining crypto from it. And apparently, sometimes even government employees themselves abuse access to computers at work to mine crypto. And December 2019, this guy said 2 Russian nationals were prosecuted for using government IT infrastructure, including a municipal water utility company, for mining. And also in 2019, several employees of the All-Russian Scientific Research Institute of Experimental Physics in Sarov were sentenced to fines and prison time for mining on computers in a nuclear research lab. So maybe if Russia didn't outlaw and ban cryptos like they are, there would be less of this secrecy going on, right? If they made things a little more transparent, they wouldn't have these problems. But when you have an iron fist or Putin as your leader, then that's the hole you're in. I mean, most governments suck anyways, but we won't get into that. Anyways, that's some crypto corner news for you. And I think what we'll do is I'm just going to go clickety click over to there, and I'm going to post this video, and I already posted. Hey, there's that Russian mining picture. Kind of reminds me of the ENIAC, right, when it was first invented, the computer. I think they're going to get smaller and so on like that, right? It's kind of interesting comparison. So we'll see what happens with mining rigs in the future. We don't want it to always look like the big old ENIAC here, right? I mean, that's quite the massive computer. It's probably 1 kilobyte of memory or something crazy. And so that's it. Put your email there if you like. Get some info on other things crypto related. Fear and greed index is 74, so it's creeping back up again. It did go to about the middle for a while. Definitely go here, iCoin Pro. They're going to teach you some awesome stuff about trading, making trades, not what to buy, how to make smart trades, right? So do that. And one quick thing, look at the markets. Look at Bitcoin right now. US 59, 8,000 and change. And this is the 5-minute, but look at the 1-day chart, right? 1-day chart right here. We got some markings going on, but you see it's just going up and up, riding on top of the SMA all the way up the SMA. It just bounces right off there. It's good support or resistance, however you like to call it. I know there is proper term, and I was 50% right when I said one of them. But as you can see how it's going right now, we're pretty bullish right now. But you know, you go back to the 5 minutes, and just double click on there. Yeah, we're in a nice little squeeze there, and if you look at the MACD, just riding the histogram there, came down off a bit of a high here, and it's just opening up on the histogram. And my personal belief right now, it's just going to open up and go up that way. But I guess we'll see in the future. I could follow up with a quick video on that shortly. And that's it. So happy Saturday. We'll see you soon, because I'm going to show you some other cool things about smart contracts. Love to love you.